Hello everyone, this is the video following the job that we finished in Mitsubishi Pajero 2011 model, and this one came to us with the factory setup navigation and 7-inch touchscreen, but after we also the system come with the Rockford Fosgate premium sound system and steering wheel controls. So at this moment we already upgrade the system into the 9-inch touchscreen full package and retain the factory steering wheel control, retain the factory Rockford Fosgate sound system, and retain the factory reverse camera. So on the screen is our wireless Apple Carplay system running, and you can see it's simple as the other car with the full package like this we fit before. It's very easy, it's very smooth and convenient to use. So wireless CarPlay, and also it including USB Apple CarPlay and USB Android Auto, which we already fitted right here, and you can see that if you have this car, you know that is a blank cover over there, and now it is the USB port down there. It looks like factory fit anyway. So at this moment it is running with the factory Rockford sound system. We don't change, we don't cut, we don't modify the system. We just adapt the new system into the car, and all the factory settings working. And now just have a look at the reverse camera. When we move the gear stick, it instantly move the reverse camera and show up the system here, and move straight back to Apple CarPlay, and move back to reverse camera, and move back to the system. And on this one we can simply control it over here, and you can see it's going over there like that, and the sound is definitely running beautiful from the car as it is. And also it is better because currently the system here produce digital sound, which increase the performance of the sound in the car. So yep, overall it is full package, fully adapt into the car, retaining all the factory features in the car. And it is Mitsubishi Pajero 2011 with all factory premium setup. So thanks again for watching, and if you want to see other videos, how to remove this setup, how to remove the head unit in this car, and this car generation, you can look at our YouTube channel and other videos. Thanks again for watching. See you on the next one.